हाँ जी. So now we will be starting, we'll be continuing further with the tissues, right? तो tissues हमने बेटा जो कल किए थे, that was dense irregular connective tissue. I taught you yesterday. Dense irregular connective tissue. That diagram is not there and the description is also not there in your book. But only one thing which is mentioned, that is the dense irregular connective tissue is found in the skin. That is found in the skin. That is the dense irregular connective tissue. As the name is saying, dense means the compact arrangement of the fibers, but that also not in a fixed fashion. That is randomly present. Okay, all the fibers in the fibroblast, they are all randomly present, and being randomly present, they are called as irregular. Being compactly present, they are called as dense. Okay, and that is found in the skin. That's it. Okay, dense regular connective tissue, I told you, it's of two types. कौन से? Tendons and ligaments. ठीक है, कल हमने जो क्लास में किए थे. Further, the three differences of the three types of the tissues you have already studied, and you will be just mentioning in the notebook. That is your assignment notebook. Okay. The first difference, if you have not written yesterday, you can please write down. The first difference you have to write in your assignment copy. First is between tendons and ligaments. Second is bone and cartilage. And the third is blood and lymph. Again, lymph is not there in your NCERT, but you please provide the difference between blood and lymph. Details of the blood component that can be done in the chapter circulation of the body fluids. That is a chapter from your last unit, unit 5. Okay, so this was dense irregular connective tissue. Coming to the next, in your third category, first category of the connective tissue was loose connective tissue. Second category is dense connective tissue. Dense में आगे दो पढ़े अपने regular and irregular. And the third are the type of the specialized connective tissues. What are these specialized connective tissues now? The specialized connective tissues, that which have attained some different and a specialized modified kind of a structure. Okay, so all these tissues, that is the bone and the cartilage, as well as your skeletal tissue, as well as your body fluid tissue. ठीक है, एक तो फ्लूइड टिश्यू, दूसरा स्केलेटल टिश्यू, ये दोनों इसके पार्ट है, स्पेशलाइज्ड कनेक्टिव टिश्यू के पार्ट है. ठीक है, डिफरेंसेस पॉइंट यू विल राइट ऑन योर ओन. फर्स्ट कमिंग टू द बोन स्ट्रक्चर. फर्स्ट इज अ in the specialized tissue types, there is first bones. Keep on writing side by side. First is a bone structure. The bones, as we know, that these are hard and these can't be pressed, है ना? So these are non-pliable. Pliable होता है कि that they cannot be compressed. Okay, they cannot be pressed. They are the hard structures. That is the bone. The bones, they are made up of the special cells called as osteocytes. These are called as the bone cells, osteocyte, that are called as bone cells. Okay, the bone cells, they are arranged in a concentric rings. These bone cells, they are numerous in number and they will be all found on the concentric rings like this, right? There in the center, there is a hollow structure. That is called as a canal, Haversian canal. ठीक है, and if we look onto the structure of the bone, अगर हम पूरा cross section structure देखें तो ये Haversian canals हैं और उनके sides पे ऐसा concentric rings present है. ठीक है, so these are the rings which are present, concentric rings. The rings, they have the osteocytes. That is the osteocytes. They are arranged in this ring structure form like this. ठीक है, so ये rings मैंने dotted इसलिए बनाई है ताकि आप इसको ring में बनाओ. ठीक है, अगर बिना rings के आप structure बनाएंगे, dotted structure नहीं बनाते और सीधे osteocyte बनाते हैं तो वो random बिखरे हुए बन जाते हैं, which is wrong. Okay, same star shaped cells, osteocytes इस तरह से star shaped cells बनाने हैं. Draw it. And you fill this completely. Aji Naman, are you drawing it? Make it. So इस तरह से ये सारे के सारे, they are all the rings, that are the concentric rings, they have these structures called as osteocytes. ठीक है, इस तरह से सारे रिंग्स में यहाँ इवन नीचे यहाँ पे भी प्रेजेंट होंगी रिंग लाइक स्ट्रक्चर्स, है ना, over the Haversian canal. So that is a cross section which we have made. Okay, what is this canal type of structure which is called as? It is Haversian canal. And these cells, they are all called as osteocytes or the bone cells. Clear? So this is the structure of bone. Got it? हाँ, जैसे मर्जी ये रिंग्स है ना, ये सारी स्ट्रक्चर में ऐसे ही प्रेजेंट होंगी, यहाँ पे ऐसा. ठीक है, so that is only a cross section which we have shown here. Completed, be quick. This is the outer boundary of the bone, that which we have made. So this is the outer boundary. You can make it in a dark line, as a dark line. So this is the cross section of a bone which shows the arrangement of the osteocytes on the concentric rings around the Haversian canal. Got it? Now the next is second type of the tissue, that is a skeletal tissue, second type. This is skeletal tissues, first type bones. And where are they found? Location kya hai? Bones are found throughout the body, पूरी body में है, ठीक है. That is, it makes the ribs, it makes the rib cage, it makes the spinal cord के around जो covering है, that is also made by it. So ये सारी चीजें क्या हैं? That are all made by the bones. ठीक है. Even the skull, that is which covers your brain part, that is again the bony part. The limbs, they have the bones. ठीक है. All the types of the different types of the bones you will be studying in the locomotion and movement chapter. No, sorry, bone part has been deleted. Sorry, bones नहीं पढ़ेंगे आप. Bone part skeletal system has been deleted from your CBSE syllabus for this year. हाँ जी, clear? Bone नहीं, यहाँ पे ये आएगा, उसमें नहीं आएगा. Locomotion and movement वाले में movement वाला जो topic है वो सारा कट गया है आपका. Skeletal system कट गया, सिर्फ muscle tissue आएगा वहां से. हाँ जी, clear? Right? The second type of the tissue, that is again a specialized kind. It is the skeletal tissue of second type, that's cartilage. Cartilage is another type of the tissue that which has been specialized, and these cartilages, as the bones were made up of the bone cells, osteocytes, these are also made up of the special cells called as chondrocytes. These are further made up of chondrocytes. That are the cartilages made with the chondrocyte. That are the specialized connective tissue, second type. Now the cartilages, if we see the cross section of a cartilage, cartilages, where are they found? These are the pliable type of the substances, or you can say pliable type of the tissue. Okay? Pliable means it can be compressed. Okay? जैसे nose tip है, you can press it and वापस when you leave your finger, it retains its shape. है ना? Similarly, the ear pinna, if you roll it out, अब इसको पकड़ के रखते हैं, घंटा 2 घंटा पकड़ के रखते हैं, again whenever you are going to leave that, वो वापस अपनी फिर से placement पे आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So that is, it retains its possible shape back again, but it can be compressed. It can be like you can say molded, or it can be like press किया जा सकता है इसको, but bones को नहीं करते, bone को नहीं कर सकते, क्योंकि वो harder होती हैं, ये थोड़ी flexible है. So where are they found? What is the location for these cartilages? Write down. These can be found on the nose tip. These are found on nose tip or ear pinna. That is the outer part of the ear which is visible. Ear pinna. Okay, that is made up of the cartilage. Now chondrocytes, which are arranged to make the cartilage, these are arranged in the special, you can say, cavities. ठीक है, ये cavities के अंदर अरेंज होते हैं, मतलब ये पूरा मैट्रिक्स होगा ना इसका, यहाँ पे डॉट्स 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 मैट्रिक्स है, लेकिन जो कॉन्ड्रोसाइट्स हैं ये सेल्स हैं कॉन्ड्रोसाइट्स, और जब ये अरेंज होते हैं फॉर्मिंग दिस टिश्यू लाइनिंग, they are arranged in such a manner, ये अंदर जो 4 बॉक्सेस मैंने बनाए, they are the chondrocytes. They are arranged in such a manner that they create a clear cavity around it. ठीक है, this cavity is called as lacuna. The cavity is called as lacuna, and these cells, ये जो 4 बीच में हमने बनाए हैं, these all are called as chondrocytes. Clear? Similarly, 2 of the chondrocytes can be present, 4 can be present, like this. Okay, so ये packed होंगे हमेशा, creating a clear cavity around it, a clear cavity around it. So this again, that is a lacuna, and packed inside are the chondrocytes. Many cells get arranged forming this cartilage because their cells are arranged apart from one another. मतलब दूर दूर है, थोड़ा ज्यादा दूर नहीं है लेकिन थोड़े दूर हैं, तो इसी वजह से इसको प्रेसेबल हम कर सकते हैं, इसको प्रेस कर सकते हैं, दबा सकते हैं, जैसे आपने एयर पिना को फोल्ड कर दिया ऐसा फोल्ड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, दैट इज बिकॉज इट हैज स्पेसेस. बट इन द बोन स्ट्रक्चर, हमने जब ये रिंग्स बनाए थे तो यू हैव नोटेड कि कितना ज्यादा पास पास पड़ा हुआ है ये सारे सेल्स. ठीक है, जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट हैवर्जियन कैनाल्स, द कंपैक्टनेस जो उसकी है वो बहुत ज्यादा टाइट हो जाती है बोन्स में. ठीक है, नॉट इन कार्टिलेजेस. क्लियर? सो दीज आर द डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ द सेल्स. यू कैन मेक इट एनीवेयर लाइक दिस. इस तरह से ये कैविटीज हैं और ये बीच में उसके प्रेजेंट हैं chondrocytes. So these are the type of the this is the structure of the cartilage. Clear? And the last of the connective tissues, that is the type of the tissue called as fluid tissue. Fluid tissue, that is of only one type has been discussed here, blood. That is a fluid tissue, again a specialized type. ठीक है, specialized की category है fluid tissue, and in the fluid tissue we have to study about the blood, but details will be studying in the chapter body fluids. Okay, here only this much difference जो मैंने आपको बोला, एक तो वो क्रिएट कर लेना है, और बाकी यहाँ पे क्या है, व्हाट इज द रोल ऑफ दिस, ब्लड का रोल क्या है, ट्रांसपोर्ट्स द रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल्स अक्रॉस द बॉडी. पूरी बॉडी में जो रिक्वायर्ड मटेरियल्स हैं उनकी ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कौन करवाता है, ब्लड. What are the various components of the blood? RBC, WBC, plasma and platelets, right? The 3 types of the cells which are found in it, platelets, RBCs and WBCs. And what are their specific roles? Platelets help to provide blood clotting, WBC help to provide immunity, and RBCs helps to provide hemoglobin is associated with it, and so it provides the affinity for oxygen. Affinity मतलब कि जो ऑक्सीजन के मॉलिक्यूल्स अट्रैक्ट होते हैं टुवर्ड्स द आरबीसीज, तो वो क्यों होते हैं, क्योंकि आरबीसी का जो मॉलिक्यूल होता है ना, जैसे ये आरबीसी है, इसके ऊपर ये एचबी नाम का प्रोटीन एसोसिएटेड है. ठीक है, अगर ये पूरा आरबीसी है तो ये एचबी साथ है, और ये एचबी जो है ये ऑक्सीजन लेता है और HbO2 यानी ऑक्सी हीमोग्लोबिन बना देता है. ठीक है, सो हैविंग दिस एचबी makes this having the affinity for oxygen or even carbon dioxide. ठीक है, CO2 भी कंबाइन हो सकता है HB के साथ, O2 भी कंबाइन हो सकता है. So that is the function of the RBC, that it provides the affinity for oxygen and hence conducting not only for oxygen but for carbon dioxide also, and hence transporting the required materials across the body. So this is the last, that is the connective tissue. We have finished. Any question, any doubt to anyone from the connective tissues? Anybody having any question? Anji, so this is the further all the connective tissue types and their subtypes that are compiled up in the one table. Okay, so types of, make this table, that is the types of the connective tissue which we have already studied. Firstly, The connective tissue is categorized into the three of the main categories. What are the three main categories? That are number one, loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Second is dense connective tissue. And the third is specialized connective tissue. Loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue, and specialized connective tissue. Got it? Now the loose connective tissue, we have studied of two types further. दो तरह के पढ़े हमने, कौन कौन से? Areolar and adipose. Areolar and adipose. Connective tissues. CT stands for connective tissues. Okay. In dense connective tissue, we have studied again two types. That are the dense regular connective tissue and the dense irregular connective tissue. For the dense regular connective tissue, there is further two types, that are tendons and ligaments. Tendons and ligaments. Tendons, that which joins bone to muscle, and ligament, that which joins bone to another bone. Right? The irregular connective tissue, that is found only in the skin. This is found in the skin, where the fibroblasts are irregularly and compactly arranged. Huh? Bone to bone. That connects the bone to bone. Then in specialized, we have two further types, that is the skeletal connective tissue and fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. In skeletal, again, we have two categories, bone and cartilages. Cartilages are pliable. This is PLI. ABLE, pliable substances type of a tissue, and the bones, they are non-pliable. Got it? Fluid tissue, further we have studied for two categories, that is blood and lymph. The components for the lymph are only plasma and WBC. But whereas for blood, they have WBC, RBC, platelet along with plasma. Okay? 4 components in the blood, only 2 components in the lymph. Lymph spelling are LYMPH. Got it? Got it? Blood carries the required materials, lymph carries the waste materials from the blood. Right? So these are all the types of the tissues of the connective tissue that we have studied. Clear? Now for the third category of the animal tissues, that is the muscular tissue. The third category of the tissues, that is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue, that which provides the movements. Right? Now the movements, they can be both willing as well as unwilling. है ना? कुछ मूवमेंट्स होती हैं हमारी विलिंग होती हैं जिनको हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, कुछ मूवमेंट्स होती हैं जिनको हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है? जैसे कि मूवमेंट ऑफ योर ईसोफेगस, फूड पाइप. आपने खाना खाया, क्या आप खुद कंट्रोल करते हैं ईसोफेगस में पेरिस्टाल्टिक मूवमेंट्स आए? नो. ठीक है? सो दैट इज द मूवमेंट्स व्हिच कैन नॉट बी कंट्रोल्ड एंड द मूवमेंट्स व्हिच कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड. लाइक आई एम मूविंग माय लिम्स, है ना? If I am moving from here to there and there to here, then that is a movement which is controlled by me. Right? So that is a willing movement. Okay? So controlling all the movements, willing or unwilling ones, there are 3 types of the muscular tissues. First give the heading of muscular tissues. muscular tissues, that which provides the movements. Okay. Further, these are of 3 types. The muscle tissue or the muscular tissue, they are of 3 types. Now, what are these 3 types? Number 1 are striated muscular tissue. Striated muscular tissue. Second are unstriated muscular tissue. Unstriated muscle tissue. And the third one are cardiac muscle tissue. The unstriated and the cardiac both together provides the unwilling movements. But ये भी unwilling movement देता है, ये भी unwilling देता है ना? लेकिन यहाँ पे ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ किसकी कंट्रोल कर रहा है movements को? That is only for the movement of the heart. क्योंकि हार्ट की जो बीट है, कंट्रैक्शन रिलैक्सेशन, उसको भी आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. एंड दैट्स अ मेजर पार्ट ऑफ आवर बॉडी आल्सो. इट्स अ मेन ऑर्गन ऑफ आवर बॉडी. ठीक है, तो हार्ट के लिए स्पेशल टाइप में अलग से नाम दिया है क्योंकि इसका स्ट्रक्चर भी डिफरेंट है इन दोनों से. ठीक है, सो दैट इज द striated is still different from the unstriated one. Clear, right? Coming to the names, why this has been given the name of striated muscle tissue? Why the tissue is called as striated? That is because of the presence of the striations, which are the light and the dark bands. I'll be making the diagram and I'll be showing it. ठीक है, लाइट और डार्क बैंड्स की प्रेजेंस की वजह से स्ट्राइएशंस नजर आती हैं इसमें. स्ट्राइएशन क्या होती है? लाइंस, है ना? तो ऐसी लाइंस नजर आती हैं, तभी इसको नाम मिला है स्ट्राइएटेड. दिस इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज स्केलेटल मसल टिश्यू. इसको स्केलेटल मसल टिश्यू भी बोलते हैं. स्केलेटल मसल टिश्यू. Why is it termed as skeletal muscle tissue? It is because it is associated with the skeletal system. ठीक है, तो बोन्स के साथ अभी आपने यहाँ पे पढ़ा ना, टेंडन्स दे जॉइन बोन टू मसल्स, अभी भी लिखा हमने टेबल में, है ना? तो जो बोन्स हैं जिन मसल्स के साथ जुड़ती हैं, बोन्स जो मसल्स के साथ कंबाइन करती हैं, वो ये वाली मसल्स हैं. ठीक है, ये हमें विलिंग मूवमेंट्स प्रोवाइड करती हैं. हमारी बोन्स को कंट्रोल, हमारी बोन्स जो हैं वो एक्सपैंड एंड रिलैक्स करती हैं बिकॉज वी आर इनहेलिंग एंड एक्सहेलिंग. अगेन इनहेलेशन एंड एक्सहेलेशन कैन बी कंट्रोल्ड टू सम एक्सटेंट. ठीक है, आप सांस रोक लेते हो ना, है ना? सांस रोक लेते हैं हम थोड़ी देर के लिए कि हम लोग एक गेम प्ले कर रहे हैं, चलो ज्यादा देर तक कौन सांस रोक सकता है ना? एंड यू कैन कंट्रोल इट, राइट? वो बात अलग है कि थोड़े समय के बाद आपको वापस फिर से सांस लेना ही पड़ेगा बिकॉज इट्स अ नीड ऑफ द बॉडी. क्लियर, राइट? सो दैट इज कंट्रोल्ड बाय द skeletal muscle tissue, the movements. and skeletal क्यों बोला इसको? क्योंकि ये bones के साथ अटैच होती है. Clear? Unstriated muscle tissues का another name है smooth muscle tissues. These are called as smooth muscle tissues. Why are they named as smooth muscle tissues? Because they do not show any of the you can say rough textured structure. That is showing all the smooth kind of a structure in a smooth pattern. All the cells of the unstriated muscle tissue are arranged. ठीक है, and cardiac does not have any other name. ठीक है, ये questions आपको आते हैं, why this is having this name, why this is having this name, what is the suitable reason for this? तो ऐसा. ठीक है, coming to the structure points now. For the structure points of striated muscle tissue, first of all, we have for striated muscle tissue. These are the striated muscle tissue. They show the light and the dark bands. Prominent proper जो structure है बेटा वो आप पढ़ेंगे in the locomotion chapter. ठीक है, from unit 5, but that is there in term 2. Okay, the only brief structure you have to study here from this chapter. Okay, so what is that structure? Striated muscle tissue that shows लिख दो, that shows. Oh, your time is over. So we'll continue. We'll start with the structure points tomorrow. Okay, the time for the class is over. If you have any question, you can please ask, but we will start these points again tomorrow.